Today on the Kitchen Legacy, we are making coconut rice. Welcome to the Kitchen Legacy, where I get to cook from my dad's old secondary school cookbook. The book has over 329 recipes, and my plan is to cook through it. Welcome, my name is Natalie, and let's start cooking. First thing first, we are going to need 4 cups of rice, 1 can of coconut. You can use your normal coconut and grate it. I'm using pasta spice for Mama Dora. I'm using 100 grams of butter, 1 kg of chicken, 2 large fresh tomatoes that is grinded, onion, 1 large onion which has been grated, 1 tin of tomato paste, salt and pepper to taste. So I'm just going to empty my coconut milk into my pot. We are going to add our 1 kg of seasoned chicken to our coconut milk, and we want to just let everything really boil so the chicken can cook. Just let everything boil really well with the coconut, and the coconut flavor can infuse very well to the chicken. Now when your pot start boiling, we are going to add our blended tomatoes and our blended onions to this, so everything boils together. So this coconut rice reminds me a lot of jollof coconut rice. This is the first time I'm trying jollof coconut rice. The normal coconut rice I eat is just the normal coconut delta coconut rice that is always a machine. So this is quite different for me. This is the first time I'm having this. So next we want to add our tin tomatoes to it. And the mistake I made is that I would have dissolved the tin tomatoes with a bit of water, so it's quite loose before I add it. But you can do it this way, it's still going to dissolve anyway. So you just have to stir it a bit more so that the tin tomatoes can really dissolve into the coconut water. I don't know, guys. I don't know my problem with using smaller pots to cook. Like, I didn't realize till halfway through that the pot I was going to use was, like, when I kept the rice, I realized that the pot was going to be too small for me, so I had to switch up the pots. And I don't know, I'm always using smaller pots. I don't know why. So it's time for us to season our coconut milk with salt. Yet again, we don't use seasoning cube, so I'm going to be using Mama Dora spices, herbs and spices, the pasta spice. So it has oregano because there's tomatoes there. It has parsley, it has dry onion and garlic and pepper flakes. So I'm going to add that, and once this start boiling, I'm going to add my rice to it. So that's when I realized that the pot was too small. So I'm going to add my rice to the pot, and so you want to add some more water if you realize that the water in the pot is not going to be enough. Just add enough water that will cook your rice. So we want to add our crayfish, which is totally optional. I just felt like the crayfish is going to add some more depth into the rice and bring some more flavor into it. So you don't have to add crayfish. It's totally fine if you don't have crayfish. You can just leave it out. So we are going to leave this and cover it and let it boil. At this point, you see that the rice is almost there. It's almost ready. Make sure you taste and see if it's soft enough for you or if it's okay. Taste for seasoning also. If you want to add some more salt, that will be fine. So at this last stage, we are just going to add our butter, 100 grams of butter into the rice, and just cover it. And voila, your food is ready. When I tell you guys that I was really impressed with this food, it wasn't until I finished eating the rice that I realized that I did not do a video or a sound to really tell you guys how the food tasted. It was really good, like, and I was really hungry, and it was really delicious. Like, I enjoyed it to a T. Don't forget to try this recipe. Let me know what you think, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are growing. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. We are not there yet, but we know we can do it. So see you guys again next week. Bye.